No, not 1 week.
No,
Two
almost
weeks.
2.
2 weeks, I think.
Yeah. So I was looking how it was the last time, and the volume was quite good. Like 4 times, 3 times as much. So
Yeah, I think we're waiting for earnings, and then we'll kind of pick back up here.
Lua.
Let's see.
Yeah. Yeah, I agree on that. I agree on that. We have Google after close today, yes?
Yeah, Google
Oh,
and AMD, I believe,
yeah.
after close. Um, so it looks like SPY actually didn't fill its gap from Friday's, or technically yesterday's gap. So SPY actually has yet to fill that gap. 4 hour
Yeah.
structure here. Currently in a higher low on SPY
Mm,
for right now.
yeah. Yeah, it's very close. Very close. 2 points for me, yes.
So
Uh,
that's getting close there, but besides, I don't really see too much just yet. We are sitting at support here though, so as long as we hold our overnight low, 579, it should be a nice hold. I do like the structure window on Qs if we actually get a break upward. It's almost like a nice little flag here. Sitting right at previous low of day here on Qs as well. That could be nice. Retest. 5. Kind of looks nice. We actually in a bit of a flag on this 4 hour. I should take a look. We're in range on this 4 hour structure. So yeah, the spot to hold would have to be previous day's range here. So if
yeah.
previous day's range can hold, it's gonna actually continue the range up to 496. Set in our breakout level. It's going to be here for me, this level. And then previous low of day. So 496.26 on Qs for a break upward. And then previous low of day for the move down. Yeah, as long as we remain above that, we're still good in terms of the overall structure there. So that'll probably be the setup that we'll watch for today's opening range. We might initiate more aggressive move though, but we'll see. We have 10 a.m. data off the morning today, so I think we might wait for that. Hopefully we'll arrange before that, wait for 10 a.m. data, and then initiate a move, but we'll have to see there. But let's take a look at other tickers here. Apple has a bit of a... Well, actually, I kind of like Apple's structure here, so... Had a break and retest from Apple, and actually kind of looks like we're flagging here a little bit. So it looks like we're setting up for another move here on Apple. Looks like we are going to be opening up a little bit more on the lower end of yesterday's structure. Yeah, I think we're opening up right below previous day's range here on Apple. But as long as we remain above, I think on a bigger structure it was 230. So 230 on, I think the daily, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe it's the weekly. I forget. Yeah, it was the weekly. So the weekly at two, as long as we remain above 230, this still looks kind of good here, but we do have room down if we did want to kind of invalidate this setup here. So invalidation of this 4-hour structure is if we got below 232. So below 232, that most likely is going to send us down to probably about 230 actually. I think that's the next leg I have. It's a pretty wide range here that we kind of bounce back and forth between. If you actually look at these past couple of days here, on this Wednesday and this Friday, we see it's pretty much a straight shot, really just back and forth between 232 and 230. So, you know, if we do lose this 232 level, like I said, it should pretty much be a really quick move down. So, this would probably be a name I'd watch for today. But otherwise, if we do hold this structure here, upside targets, our official breakout level, I think, is probably going to have to be above our overnight high here. So 233.4 is probably what I'll look for. Yep, I think that's it with Apple. We have 7 minutes here. Try to get through this quick. Alright, Microsoft here. Not too much also in range here. Yeah, not too much going on here, I'll be honest. Still in range. We're at a higher low with a kind of a flat top here, right at 432 there. Yeah, and then our breakout level, if we are going to lose this, probably is going to be below pretty much our overnight low, actually. Yeah, I'd say below today's overnight low. If you got below that, that would probably invalidate structure, but I would like us to get below probably 224 as a little bit more of a better confirmation. And then if we get below that, that should probably send us back down to this previous range here on this left-hand side. So you see that we did try and initiate a break. Consolidating here a little bit. But if we are going to hold structure, this would be the spot to hold for us here. Alright, and then we have Google. So Google has earnings today, so that's one thing we do want to kind of be careful of. This could be a little bit more of a slower name. Moving in today. Potential H setup here, maybe. Starting to form. So we had that really big gap up yesterday. We sold off a little bit. Not even a little bit. We sold off quite a bit. We actually got a break and retest of this flag structure, which is actually quite nice. If you actually look at this 4-hour, right, we had this 4-hour kind of like wedge that we broke out of. Or we had that gap up. We had a 4-hour gap up. Alright, we got our retest into the trend line. Got bought up, and I actually held kind of nicely here. So I guess the level to hold here is probably going to be 166 now. As long as we're above 166 here on Google, this should be good for more upside. Otherwise, if we flip back below 166, we probably would see another retest down at the lows of this trend line here. But once again, we could potentially stall here just because we do have earnings coming up soon. I mean, soon today. We have earnings coming in today, so that's going to be an important watch, and especially since it's our first tech name that's going to be reporting. Definitely want to see what happens with that. 5-minute structure actually here we have almost like a flag, almost like a wedge here as well. So maybe something like this on Google's 5-minute. And let's take a look at NVIDIA before we open here. Alright, so far, looks like we're in the same exact boat here, in a bit of a range, larger 4-hour range, but we are in a higher low, and possibly a lower high. Still would like one more confirmation top with this lower high if we were to kind of come back up to 142 here, but definitely looks like we are in a bit of a higher low for this 4-hour structure here on NVIDIA. So spot to hold would actually be where we're sitting at right now, but official breakout level I think was probably going to need to be below 138, probably below 138.5 I guess, or just 138 flat. I'll just put it right here though. So this would be a breakout level here for me, below 138, and then we have actually quite a bit of room down if we are going to lose that, probably at least down to like the low 130s. So far it looks like we're trying to hold the spot here. So overall for today, looks like we are at some pretty decent support on pretty much all tickers here. So I think for today I want to watch for potential longs off the open. We also see we're in a bit of a wedge structure here as well. We actually take a look at this 5-minute. Bit of a wedge here. So I have this breakout level probably above right we're actually sitting at right now. So 20,500. Or if we get above VO up here, this could actually see a potential nice push up, especially since all tickers are at support. But once again, this is going to be an opening trade. Market open trade, so it can be a little bit risky there if we actually are gonna, try and take something. But we're gonna have to see with that. So, ooh, sorry. And those that are actually in Bitcoin, I actually just took a look at the chart today, and it's actually moving quite nice. I can actually go over that really quickly as well, since we're gonna wait for it to open, but we are already moving very, very nicely from that breakout. Remember I posted the chart for the weekend here, but yeah, sitting right at 72,000 here, actually setting up in another kind of hourly flag here, so that could actually be quite nice there. And there's the bell. All right. So like I said, I'm a little bit more in favor of longs today. It's based off where we're sitting at. If you are looking to create some type of, higher low. Looks like this wedge is already going to be breaking out though. But we'll see. And then for our data today, as I mentioned, we do have 10 a.m. data, which is consumer confidence and job openings today at 10. hate a long here, but I'm gonna wait for this. Could be a fake breakout here on NQ. Got that previous 5 minute candle close above structure there, but failed to actually get that break above 511. So we got that, and then kind of curling back down here a little bit. Getting a little bit of selling here though. Yeah, Nvidia here is below previous day's range as well for right now, so aggressive sell here.
That 4 hour look more like a double top for me at resistance now, here to be honest. But
Take a look.
I think we have room.
Yeah,
But
they're
that's
kind of
just me.
losing the structure here. Yeah, that range broke below previous low
Yeah.
of day there.
Yeah.
So we have room
Nvidia.
here.
Mm.
We have liquidity to sweep at 493.76 on Qs.
I'm gonna be honest, Alex, I think today is hard for me. So don't take anything I say today, because I don't see the markets today. I think it's hard. Hard.
Yeah, difficult to trade opening range, so we're just gonna wait. Gonna wait this out. Most likely, wait for our setup to come in.
Yeah, I don't really like the if we actually close down below here and cannot recover this 5 minute candle alongside. Looks quite bad on the hour and 4 hour for me instead. I was not expecting this much of selling with Google earnings and Twisty Night, but yeah.
Yeah, normally we see the pre-earnings run up, but yeah, we
Yeah.
are getting some pretty aggressive selling here, but
You always remind me, 4 hour candle and wick.
if we are actually looking to play this flag, we have a lot more room down on Qs.
Oh, we had a lot of bid coming in here. Wow, what was that? Hmm. we can recover to overnight range, I would like longs a lot more. Because that will be a small fail breakdown here, but I'm not sure, to be honest.
Yeah, SPY selling off a little bit more here. Take a look at the heat
Yeah.
map. Yeah, everything's pretty red for right now.
Yeah.
Except for Google. Google's still stalling here, but actually could see some support coming in here. Apple holding above view up here. Nvidia trying to recapture back above this 139 breakout.
Yeah, I don't even have a guess here, Alex. No edge here at all.
Yeah, no correlation with SPY for right now.
No.
Really just tech that's kind of holding so far, but let's see some basing coming in here on.
VIX is strong. VIX is strong.
SPY has room here.
Yeah, looks like Amazon are going for this gap fill at least. I think Microsoft looks kind of weak.
Yep. Break and retest here on Nvidia. 139. Back testing the view up, and now we're kind of getting sold off a little bit there. Looks like it's going to be another lower-ended close here. Yeah, I think this is going to continue. If we get this lower-ended close. Apple still held view up there. Close right at it, anyways.
Looks like you wanna sell more, right?
Yeah.
What I can see. Yeah. Momentum wise, it looks like it.
Yeah, all tickers look pretty weak here. So most likely wait on this here, but Google is still just holding right now.
But yeah, and Apple looks decent also, I think, but
Yeah, just sitting at view up
no,
still.
that flipped so hard when you said that. Hmm. Trying to hold overnight low here, but
Oh yeah, I just realized we're sitting right at overnight low right now.
yeah. But Nvidia is selling more here.
Yeah, Nvidia has room.
Yeah.
Nvidia was that 4-hour wedge structure there. I mean, technically this can still hold for a higher low, actually. Right, this has a lot of time to actually kind of curl back up, so I think that's what I'll be waiting for. Be waiting for Nvidia to find at least some type of bottom and an outlook to be potentially taking some longs. I actually kind of don't hate here.
Wow, I'm back and we are going up. Did you take that long, Alex?
No,
No.
was kind of getting ready to
Mm.
do kind of this kind of continued actually. If we do want to hold here, maybe you could get a
Trying
bit
to
of a
fill
back test.
this imbalance. Yeah. I'm gonna backtest probably pillowed here if we can cover this EMA9.
I like Apple here. It's kind of flagging.
Yeah, I don't like Tesla. But mm.
Google kind of broke out here as well. Here's our pushback into previous low of day.
Well, if we cover pillowed and we go up here and it's starting to curl upwards, we should have bit room on the upside. And in no hurry. But
Yeah, I would have taken it right there on that on the back test in 70, but I think my risk would have just been too much.
well, every ticker except Tesla looks quite decent here.
Yeah, this looks like
Then
it
we
could
dab.
continue.
Yeah,
Alright, so recapture back above,
pillowed here. Yeah.
yeah. I actually wouldn't hate a long here either.
Do we have any data today?
Yeah, we have 10 a.m. data.
Ah, okay.
Wow, it's popping.
Oh, wow. Alright, well, we're still pretty much flat here, from our opening candle. So it looks like we are just wanna, or we do kind of just want to chop here, stay in range, for right now, up until data, I'd assume. So now this is where I would imagine we could get a little bit choppier potentially. potential backtest entry here. A little bit hard to tell for me here now. We have 10 minutes till data here. We could wait for data to come out first before looking to take something. Pretty big rejection there. Off of previous day's range. So break and retest the previous day's range, and we actually rejected it pretty aggressively here. Just getting a backtest though for right now. For me anyways. Possible flag here on Qs. Some of these tickers are actually looking a little bit weak again. Apple kind of lost its view up there. So that actually has room for me down to a previous day's range. Nvidia also still stuck in range, and then Microsoft as well. Just for right now anyways. Video kind of looks like it wants to get back above 140 here, but Tesla's continuing to sell here. Coming into overnight low here, actually. Nvidia got its recapture back inside of previous day's range here. Coming back to our opening candle. It actually looks like that mini flag structure that we started to form technically is starting to break out here. Continuing to pop up here a little bit. So yeah, I do still think we have quite a bit of room for upside here, especially just based on that larger structure. We do have data here in 3 minutes coming soon.
So this is what I was talking about. We're coming back into range. We had a mini failure breakdown. I like longs a bit more now.
Yep.
I like Nvidia here. The only thing I don't like is Tesla, honestly.
Mm-hmm.
This looks quite decent. And we defended a level on ES here also and back inside range. So yeah, if I was gonna take a trade here, I would probably favor long here. But yeah, data in 3 minutes. I think this could move with data. It looks like you wanna break out here from this range to the upside.
Yeah.
I'm honest. That's what I am seeing. And we had some nice reaction on both the 10-year and VIX here also.
Yeah, for me, I'm looking to see if we get maybe pop off data and then potentially get a backtest entry, but
Yeah. I'm still not 100% sure. I think we could also be in range. Sorry, but yeah. But I favor long here. We recovered this move. Yeah.
if you actually just flip it to the 15-minute, it actually looks quite nice. We actually didn't even break
15.
out. Yeah, found the
Yeah. We just wicked down and took liquidity from that overnight low,
Yep.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and we defended this level now with this green, double 5-minute green. We are over VWAP and starting to slowly curl positive.
Yeah.
I like upside over downside. Yeah.
All right, 1 minute here for data.
And then tilt the agree with us on top step, 73% long here. But yeah. Wow. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Yeah.
There's data.
We actually moved. Yeah. We're moving.
Yeah, it was consumer confidence.
Mm.
Yeah. And job openings.
Yeah. Both. Yeah. We also have openings, US CB consumer. That. Mm.
The jobs came in a little bit lower than expected.
Yeah. Mm.
I think we could range here.
Yeah. What I was saying before, that's the horror.
It's a horror.
Barcoding day.
Yeah.
Could be. But you know, sometimes we move pre-earnings and yeah, it's. I mean, people are positioning themselves for, uh, even if we all know that we should not trade in news, right? But people are doing that, so gonna probably move. Anyway, that's why we see often pre-run up or pre-dump. I still like Nvidia here.
Yeah.
Right, overnight high here. Can we break out of that? We have room to 148.3 at least. 0.4, I think. Still.
My preferred entry here probably is going to be a backtest in the view up on Qs. Or previous low of day. It stops below that.
Yeah, 495.1. Yeah, P-Lod, right?
Yeah.
And we were up. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I need to pee, baby.
Yeah, so 15-minute candle actually still looks good here to try and get that break. Now once again, we are technically coming still in range here. We're at the top of this breakout range. So I do have a level here. This does look good though. So we have Microsoft also stuck in range here, but we're sitting right at overnight highs here, so we could actually, if we do get a bit of a pop here, we could actually break through this. It's looking like.
Sorry.
Yeah, it does look like we'll take overnight highs, right?
Yeah. We have a very ugly 5-minute buy divergence with the drop on Friday. Yeah.
Backtesting the previous day's range here on SPY.
Yeah. I think this can go without us, or it is actually doing it as we speak. Wait, do you guys? Yeah, you guys hear me?
Yeah, I think this is gonna run the overnight high here. I kind of want to long this right here, but an R to R here is just not really it for me. If we get one little dip.
They got the little dip. Was a
Yeah,
very
very
little one.
small dip.
10 points. Mm. The problem here is if we chase too late. I think we don't have very good R2R on
Yeah,
this end of
otherwise,
day. I don't expect very big moments today, but we could be wrong. But
if only we didn't have data.
yeah, that was.
Yeah, Apple's still flagging here. It's actually quite nice.
Alex, do you remember last time we had the elections in USA? How the price action was?
Oh no, I don't
Oh,
even remember.
yeah. A long time ago.
Could be our dip buy opportunity here.
With a reaction of overnight high here.
Overnight high. I have overnight high at 141.5.
Oh, 140.86.
Really?
Yeah. You can blame Carlos if it's wrong.
I have it the same, 140.6. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the today's first candle. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, we are kinda shifted from using 500 as a resistance to support now, right? If you look at that, look at the moments, we resistance, 6 times, 500 psych, and we ripped up now and back tested it.
Yeah, I do see that.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I said, I think that lined up still nicely with our view up entry if we're able to get that. I like NVIDIA here going for a back test into previous low of day. Raul is in a position. 518. Decent entry so far. Yeah, I might just be picky here with my entry. I'm not gonna lie. I don't hate his entry either at 18.
The problem here is if we're gonna range, we are buying at the top of the range almost.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's you kinda looking for a fair breakdown. We moved up, and then you want expansion or momentum, and we honestly not really getting that much here. It was just with data. I'm not. I kinda looks for me like a maybe not a trading day for me, but yeah, we see.
Looks like Microsoft maybe lost structure here a little bit. This might
Yep.
give us a dip here if Microsoft sells below view up.
Tesla is selling here
Tesla's still going, yeah.
a bit. Well, it's not really expanding, but yeah. I think it has room to 257.6. Yeah, points more. But
Maybe I drew the structure wrong on Microsoft. This might just be a bull flag.
looks like Roll's entry was good
Yep.
for the time being. We're starting to curl over on the stochastic for me on the 5 here.
Yeah, I don't really. Well, I see it. I see the setup. It's not 100% to my liking. It's definitely here. This is more like a B setup for me, I'll be honest. But this looks good for Euro. This looks like it could run the overnight high.
Yeah.
It definitely could hold this all the way through here.
Here we go. Here we go. Yeah. First resistance here. Nice.
It's probably tempting to get back into previous day's range here. Trying to get above here, but still yet to do so. Then the structure I have drawn on Qs, I think this is a 4-hour range. Yeah, this is a 4-hour range on Qs here, so we are currently still sitting inside of it as of right now. I don't know why. I kind of don't see us ripping here.
You don't?
Yeah, I kind of don't.
Yeah. Same.
I don't know.
Who knows? But you were kind of close to get on that breakdown long. That would have been
Yeah.
a nice one. Yeah. And even that short under 486 was quite nice actually. But that was opening candle. A
Yeah.
bit risky.
This might just grind up to overnight high here, I think.
We do have a 30 minutes buy divergence here with price and RSI, but really not expanding. If that was gonna go real, we should go back to 700, but 50, 700. I'm not sure here.
Yeah, I just don't like the R to R here, but I think if
Mm.
this could actually even trend if SPY gets back into previous day's range here. We're in a bit of a trending structure right now, actually, so.
Yeah.
Looks like we're setting up in another flag here. This price gonna maybe come back down to 511.
Can I ask for fun, is your stochastic going to sell here in 5 minutes? Are it turning over for you?
Let's see. I don't have it on my chart right now.
Oh, okay, okay. Never mind. I was just interested on the
Look on my
differences.
phone. Let's see my phone. Yeah, kind of curling in the overbought right now.
Mm.
It's not really too close to curling though yet. It could still stall here a little bit.
Yeah, I could still do 200 points and it's curls around if we expand fast.
Yeah, this is pretty wide price action as well. These candles are quite large, I think, for me. Maybe it's just me. Like 30-point candles. Yeah, Apple's still stuck in range. Microsoft's still stuck in range. Google's stuck in range.
Nvidia also, after we just got a flush and a pop and back to ground zero.
Yeah, I think we'll set up for a flag structure here on this 5 minute. If we get a little bit of more of a lower ended close down at like 17, 18, I may look to take one attempt there, but
Yeah, I'm more bullish if I'm not looking at tickers here. If I'm just looking at the SPY and Q. Q. Just. Well done, Rob. Well done.
might better push into overnight highs here if Microsoft gets this break. I don't really like Nvidia here right now, to be honest.
Not Google either.
Yeah, not Google either, or even Apple here if it
Yeah.
loses. Yeah, tough spot for me here. Tough spot for me. Really just slow grinding right now. Microsoft trying to break out here. And then Apple holding support spot here. Got our top into overnight high there. On Qs anyways. Got our tap in overnight high on Qs.
Starting to look better for more upside here, I think. Even if we...
Yeah, we're pretty trendy right now. Look at the 5 minute. Yeah, still no view up backtest though. Just pretty much the main reason why I haven't really taken anything yet. Or we'd even get a backtest into previous day's range here, but
Yeah, but Nvidia, I mean, Nasdaq looks better than almost all tickers here, honestly. Microsoft looks pretty decent, Apple, but and, hmm.
kind of have room here, I think. At least up to 600 psych, actually. We have room. Apple's starting to break out here a little bit. Yeah, just based off this hourly, this looks like it could run to 600. Almost there, actually. Might like to take a fib short here if continue to go higher. This actually has quite a bit of room here. I think this could run to a previous high of day. Previous high of day on Qs.
It's like 80 points on Nasdaq here. Right?
No.
Oh, never mind. Oh, yeah.
Sadly, the script on futures takes into account the overnight session for
Yeah.
BHOT and PLOT. Yeah.
Oh, selling off quite a bit here.
Yeah, 600
It's a lot
psych
on
right
the
there.
ask. Yeah. My stochastic is turning over here.
Might be a dip buy spot for us. A very aggressive sell right there.
Yeah, 50 points. That doesn't really... Nah. Look at all tickers here. Wow. Yeah. That 600 was a nice short.
Yeah, first stop off 61.8
Yeah.
right there. Didn't quite
Yeah.
get to 70.7, but very, very close. I think we're like 2 ticks off. 2 points off. Deep sell here.
Holy moly.
Right to EMA 9. Crazy.
Very interesting price action here, I'll be honest. It looks like a SPY rejected overnight highs right there.
Yeah. It did. Hard. Hmm.
Break and retest so far from Microsoft though. Google's still stuck in the range. Yeah, these moves are quite aggressive, so I'd be careful with sizing here, I think, as well, if we do decide to take the trade. We did create a 1 minute imbalance here as well. Don't really like Apple here though. Kind of lost its structure. Just a little bit. Not fully, but we did finally get a lower 5 minute candle close there. Microsoft still looks okay. Google still looks okay, still in range. Then Nvidia still looks okay, also still in range there. I think if this 5 minute candle gets a close back above overnight high, I think I'll go for a long. Looks like we're about to fill that 1 minute imbalance here.
Yeah.
Jag får använda din mobil ett tag.
I'll be back real quick.
Hugo, are you server muted?
Yep, he's.
Yeah. Yeah, we other would love to take that long roll. This is not my preferred PH. Maybe I'm just lacking here, but
Yeah, I wouldn't mind not trading this today.
I still like upside.
Yeah. Nvidia breaking out.
Because it's not super convincing. Not that sell-off of 600 is still quite right to EMA 9. Not giving me expansion feelings. Or yeah, Nvidia looks good here.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, we did get at the close above, back above overnight high here. This actually looks like it still wants to run.
Yeah, Nvidia looks good.
Yeah, once again, I just don't like the R to R here. I really don't.
Mm.
Apple still looks kind of bad, honestly. Also,
Yeah.
I'm not, but Nvidia looks quite decent. But we went to 141, where I had a line at least. But yeah, it's a backtest of small resistance only, but Well, Alex, look at the hourly. The hourly looks a lot better.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. Maybe we're just getting stuck in this PA that is not really amazing. But I don't know. So, Alex, if I was only trading Nasdaq, I would actually probably be long here on Nasdaq. But looking at individual tickers,
Mm-hmm.
they don't look really that good. Kinda get stuck in what to do. Well, Google looks a bit better.
Hey, if there's no setup, then there's no trade, right? It's
Yeah,
really
yeah,
that simple.
that's why. Yeah.
So, if there's no setup we like, I only take anything. And we can see what's happening for sure. I mean, it does look like we want to do kind of pull higher after previous high day here, I think. But yeah, once again, just don't like anything fully. It's not 100% to my liking.
I think 675 short is good, but that's
75
100
short.
points from here. Yeah, a skull. I guess a scalp, but I have I have zero. Nothing. I wish I took that cool trade cool roll, dude. Was decent. But that flag was really not a flag almost.
Yeah, no,
Kinda
not
very
really.
short, yeah. It's more like trailing the EMA 9 here. And we're still doing that. With that sell-off here, directly tapped EMA 9 and flipped again. And it's kinda very, very slow grinding. I'm not good in environment like this when we have little moments.
Really might just be a no trading day. Be said, Phil.
Yeah.
Closing in on lunch here soon.
Oh, really? Have you sit here so long?
Yeah, we've been here for a while.
Oh,
About to
okay.
be 11 o'clock already, yeah. Crazy. Kind of looks like it wants to break. I don't like Apple here. Nvidia in a wedge.
Are we gonna short this?
It wouldn't be bad, but I want us to come up a little bit more, up at least a little bit more into 600 here. Although technically we did fill that 1 minute imbalance, which we actually could short this. Nvidia.
I would rather much short this if we did not have that failed breakdown that got bought up. That is my... I, I don't like anything. But please do what you think is right. Yeah, quite nice on the one. If you look at the 1 minute fill there, it's kinda. Is that 1 minute? Yeah, 1 minute 61.8. Yeah, 0.7. Yeah, it's in there.
Same time, this could just slow grind here.
Yeah.
Because we still have yet to actually initiate a breakout on Nvidia. Still in structure, so. Bit of a boring day for me.
Yep.
Not too boring. I mean, the move is actually very nice that we had. It's just, for me, there wasn't an ideal entry opportunity for me, so.
I really like that backtest we were up, but that was on data. So, yeah. On Nasdaq, I mean, in 5 minutes. Yeah. I was eyeing that and I wanted to click the buy, but didn't do it. Yeah. This is giving me the same feeling as yesterday when I was trading by myself. This is slow for me.
It happens, it happens.
Yeah. Google looks like it wants to pre-hard.
Yeah, it does. I think we want to break up here.
Yeah. I like upside also, actually. Good one. The tickets looks better now, but
yeah. Alright. I tried a long right there. 87. gonna have a tight stop below swing low 64. Very aggressive entry. Let's see if it's gonna break out here.
64.
Yes, 64. Might have been too aggressive actually. You know, keep in mind with size today as well. I'd be careful with size. We are a little bit volatile today actually. Yeah, I think this could run into 600s though.
564 is your stop.
Yeah, 564.
You have a hard stop. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. This is quite volatile, so I don't want to get caught in holding position for a 5-minute candle close. But if this is going to be a trend day, this could break up here, I think. See that flip into the 600s. Probably looking for like, I don't know, 625. Our previous high of day here on Qs. But once again, this stop might be a little bit too tight here. It's really just more so based on my entry, to be honest. So
Yeah, that's just 80 ticks or something like that.
yeah. Yeah, ES targets. I have targets up to like 83.
Oh, you too.
83.
5883.
Yep.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
on
like
on
that.
ES.
Yeah,
Yeah,
on
yeah,
ES.
me too. Yeah.
I like that.
I have the first zone to gravity too, on upside. There. But this is not like super convincing trade for me, to be honest.
Yeah. I'm
I
kind
don't
of
know.
just going with the momentum here. See if we could
Yeah.
grind up. Once again, do have that hard stop in play, so get stopped, but
I think we flashed down here. Never mind. Sorry. I was reading the wrong, but I was looking at ES here and
I like Microsoft's flag here. Microsoft flagging here. Google just shy of previous high of day. Nvidia is still in range here for this wedge. We're still in structure for that wedge. Tapping off the lower end of that trend line there, but I think if we do get stopped, we most likely will flip and get a possible breakdown maybe, but yeah, Apple's still holding structure though. This almost higher low, very, very small higher low, which is okay for right now.
looks like you kinda wanna backtest overnight low, I think. Overnight high, I mean. I could be wrong. I had a
Yeah, in a bit of a 1 minute range here. 1 minute flag, actually. But have to see a break here. Yeah, we're technically playing a 1 minute structure here if we do get our move. This should send us to a new high of day if we do get our break upward into the 600s at least. Yeah, Apple holding a little bit better here. Finally getting a little bit more of a better move. Trying to get back above view up. It's a decent move coming in from there. Pretty much break even
Oh,
now for me. So
I'm green now. Oh. I was making coffee. I must not wanna see this trade here. Gonna take time.
still have actually yet to initiate our break on the 1 minute structure
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe I could have waited a little bit for that entry.
Nvidia does not look that good here.
And Nvidia kind of lost structure here as well.
Yeah, Tesla also.
But Apple looks okay for me.
Yeah. It looks good. It looks good. Microsoft also and
Google still
Google
looks
also.
good, yeah. Meta still looks good. Yeah, it's kind of just grinding up. Yeah, based off this, our entry or my entry and my stop here, I'm basically playing a 1 minute structure here. So, and I'm actually playing the breakout of this structure. So,
The
something I
Nvidia
normally
is
don't do.
kinda gonna go to Pilod or Weave up here, I think.
Yeah.
But nice, Microsoft. Come on. We believe in you.
Yeah, Microsoft, Apple, and Google starting to get a little bit
Yeah.
more of a pop here, which I like. I like Google the previous high of day. It's just Nvidia here, but if Nvidia gets bought up here off this 140, this could be okay for us.
Yeah, we're sitting right above EMA9 here. Trying to hold that on Nvidia.
I'll be honest, I'm not going to look for
What
much
is it?
with this trade.
Mm.
Just new high of day to come in, then maybe pull into the mid 600s, so maybe like 30, 40 points. That's it.
I have a TP at 675. Sorry.
At where?
675, where I said I
675.
like short before, but I'm not gonna ride it that long. If I even gonna be profitable, we will see. This is just yeah.
Very
But
small.
1 minute looks quite quite good.
Yeah, 1 minute's
just
kind of
tra-
initiating a breakout here, which is good for
we
us.
and we're trailing the EMA9 on 1 minute, but it's really
Yeah, Apple looking a little better here. Actually initiating a another breakout here, actually, if we get above our overnight highs. Once again, Microsoft looks okay. I think I like a Microsoft to 430. Google approaching previous high of day. If Nvidia could get bought up here, that would be nice.
Yeah.
But we are
Nice.
up here a little bit. for a new high of day potentially.
Yeah, I think I just gonna take all if I can get. Oh no, I was.
I'm sure some of you guys definitely have a better entry than me for sure.
No, I have 1 point worse. Sorry.
You have 1 point worse.
Yeah.
Really?
Uh,
I feel like I got a top tick there.
yeah, it was horrible. Wait, BTU 587. Okay, wait. I have 586.75. Okay, we have the same.
Pretty much the
Got
exact
dropped
same, yeah.
down.
I'm in 87.2.
Yeah. Did I take $30? I'm gonna be honest, I don't have patience for this kind of market.
Yeah.
Gonna be honest. Google gonna go for pre-order here probably, right? Looks nice, had some volume, bit more volume, that 5-minute candle. I like that. The rest yeah. Apple sold off on overnight low again. Overnight high. I kinda just wanna take this very small profit and go away, but then it's gonna run and you guys gonna be. Remember when you give that mem on that 70-point short of what you guys got, and I got 7 points.
Yep.
So I didn't like it, and we were running data was coming up, and I closed it, and yeah, it was so much fun looking at you guys when you made. Well, at least you made money, right? It's better, but
Honestly, I
still
think
it
this
was.
might be the only trade I take for the day. So if I get
Yeah,
stopped, that'll
yeah.
be it.
I'm not gonna sit here
Well, let's
for
hope it
much more.
continues. I'm hoping it will continue. This is very slow for me, so.
I don't like these 5-minute candles. Kind of exhausting.
Yeah, it is getting a
Don't
little
get.
bit exhausted here. Which I don't really like too much either. Nvidia is still holding below that wedge structure right now. So if you had to get recapture above that. Google did run up to previous high of day here as well, so it's looking okay. I mean, we could tighten stops here technically if we wanted to maybe like 75. But I'd just leave it just because it's only like 20 something points of risk, so I'm not really too worried, honestly. If I get stopped, I get stopped. But if this is in fact a trend day, we will technically just slow grind upward here. Yeah, I don't hate us going up to a previous high of day. Come back in the top of yesterday's range.
Yeah, this is very good for a test of patience, with some luck.
I do lack that.
Oh, you too.
At times.
Philip exit. What do you mean? Cool Rob. Yeah, I could exit, but yeah, I'm just trying to like. It's fine to. Yeah. Oh, you mean that? Yeah. It was so much fun. I
New
just
hive
took
day
that
right
7
here,
point
guys.
and took the day. Yeah. Sorry.
New hive day here.
Yeah.
So this is technically the end of that 1 minute flag TP. If you guys want to take
Yeah.
this,
Yeah, I'm taking half here.
you could take half here if you guys have a better entry than me. Some of you might have.
No, I'm just gonna take half anyway. I don't wanna this to turn red, and I'm gonna take the red today. Don't wanna.
I'm gonna continue to hold this through.
Yeah.
I think if we do
Yeah, I
get
think
break
that's the smart
above
play.
600, if we get above 600, this probably would run to like 615, 620 easily. I think. It just might be very slow here though. That's the only problem.
Yeah, we're still holding about the EMA 9 on 1 minute.
I
No,
like Nvidia here a little bit better now.
yeah, Nvidia looks good. Tesla looks really bad how the H is set up. It's the only pickers that.
Yeah, I was close to 20 points there. Very, very close to 20
Yeah,
points.
I took at 605. Oh, it's almost top tick. Yeah, it's. I'm kinda sad that I did not take all. Honestly, I just.
I still think this is okay for us.
Yeah.
It's a slow grind here.
It's really funny when you complain when you like make $400-500 in like what was it, 10 minutes, 50
Yeah.
minutes, and like if I went to regular work, it would.
Go. Come on. This would be a breaker bar here, I think, if I'm correct with my terminology.
Yeah, I'm out.
No, don't flip against me.
No, I think this can still hold. I just had a stop at B here, or even slight profit and got stopped. No. Yeah.
Yeah, I still have my stop, same. Not moving my stop. I'll leave it. Yeah, I kind of like Nvidia here, up to overnight high. Get this break above here.
Yeah, I think I might just been stopped out there, but we will see. Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be 10 points in my profit, and you're gonna get 70 points. We all know that, right? So.
That's what I'm
Right.
hoping. That's the plan.
Yeah,
That's what I'm hoping for.
675, like I said. I'm gonna. Yeah. Well, everything except the play is curling upwards, so.
Apple trying to go for another break of structure here. Above overnight high. That's all we really need for it to get above that. We should be okay. Microsoft already initiated its break. It's still looking alright. I do still like that to 430. Google is just still running here. Yeah, pre-earnings run up, so.
Yeah.
Google and Meta, actually. I saw the pre-earnings run up, so.
No.
ES is still
No.
structure here. This is getting
Yeah.
ready to break very
I
soon
think.
with ES.
Yeah.
Above overnight high, though, we would have to get above for continuation there. Like I said, this is probably just the only trade I'm going to be looking to take, because it's literally already 11 o'clock.
Yeah, I'm not gonna trade anymore. I'm content with that.
Little 10 points. 10, 15 points.
Yeah, we broke the EMA 9 here on 1 minute, but I mean, I never use it, so I don't know why I failed to stop for that. I just got too impatient. This could probably. I mean, if we break overnight high here on EOS also, we're gonna deliver a pop, I think.
Yeah, I think up to previous high of day there as well. Potentially, so.
Here it comes.
Yeah, all I'm really doing here with this trade is really just trend following, I'll be honest. Following the trend. So we don't have the best structure with individuals, but it's not the worst. It's not bad.
Yeah, I see this trade. Actually, on the 1 hour, it looks really, really good. For that 675, or at least P HOD at 680, 677.
Yep. But we are in
But
profit here again if you guys are looking to take some. Not a crazy gain. But really just depends on your entry, like I said.
so I got 40 1 points more with yesterday's second trade. So you need to not make more than 50 points here. Good, looks like wanna hold over
Hopefully this
pretty hard here.
close
Yeah.
above
Apple wanna
600.
go overnight high. Like it. I like the upside here. Still. Yeah.
Get this 5-minute close above 600 psych. This should be good for us here.
Yeah. Tesla coming up, testing the overnight low here, I think, with the imbalance. Should deliver some momentum also. Small.
Also getting another retest of this breakout level, 140.87. ES trying to break above overnight high here as well. She's very slow. That's it.
Roll said in chat. So Philip exits. So if that runs for 70 more points, lol. Bastard. He's not even on the chat anymore, right? On the live?
No, I don't think so. No,
No.
he's not here anymore.
You don't even know that I exited. Oh. Well, I did not exit it. I trailed my stop loss, but it's just been too tight. It was very tight.
Might move my stop to 82 here. Come on. Just get above 600. Yeah, this is a very long trade. Very, very long trade here.
Yeah. So how I behaved, we can say that Alex has better patience than me, at least. Yeah.
At this point, we could just do set and forget.
Yeah.
However
Set
we
the
prefer.
trade in profit, one take and just come back at power hour. But this flirting kind of with the breakdown here also.
Mm-hmm. I like Apple.
Yeah. Kind of just, even if it's slow grind, this is just a bit too slow, honestly. Should see some momentum, but it's really, what is the time? Oh wait, when do you guys change to winter time? Because we already changed in Sweden.
Oh, I have no clue. I think it's no.
Is it tomorrow?
Let me actually look that up.
Yeah, so don't come here and you guys are already trading for 1 hour or not here for 1 hour. Or, no.
November 3rd.
Oh, okay, next week. Okay, yeah, Nvidia kinda, this looks kinda bad.
Yeah.
Apple and Nvidia.
Technically
Wait,
still holding
wait.
structure here on this 5-minute.
Yeah, I'm gonna switch. I'm not gonna look at the 1 minute. Yeah, we just tapped EMA 9 on 5 minutes here.
Yeah, I got stopped out at break even.
Yeah, like I said, I'll just leave my stop the same. I'm not gonna move it just because this technically can grind still. Get bought up. So I'll just leave my 20-point loss, and if I get stopped, that'll be it for me for the day. But wow, this
So
is some crazy price action though.
yeah, I stopped at like 2-3 ticks above my entry because I already took that 20 points. So that's why I did it, because I did not want that to reverse on me. But it was just a bit too tight. But I think we're gonna actually flush a bit here.
Yeah, it's
If we
looking
can,
like it.
start looking
Must have
worse
to
on
leave.
Microsoft, and we need this to get brought up and close above 581 here.
Oh.
Oh, maybe it will. Maybe it will. Then it will just be a EMA 9 tap for higher. Getting away with 1 minute and 5 minute overbought. But
That's a very
at
nice
least,
setup with Apple though. For breaks here.
yeah. I think it break here. Overnight high incoming, I think. We'll see. And this is why I like short. Got the same points in 1 5 minutes from 30 minutes on the long side. It's a shame because it's better to long on the average if you take
Yeah.
like 1,000 trades. It's you have a slight edge on the long side, but that's more on the overnight, but still slight edge. Will actually make a difference on like 2, 3, 4, 5,000 trades.
And don't forget what the since we were technically playing that 1 minute structure, we did actually run up to target, right? For the end of the 1 minute flagpole. We ran
Yeah.
perfectly to target up to 605 and then
Yeah.
which was technically
Yeah, I
the
think
dip.
my yeah, I think my sell there was valid.
Yeah.
But I just this is starting to look like kind of grim, honestly, with Apple here. You cannot. We have a small imbalance, but we're under VWAP here,
It'll
and
be a
ES
very
is
quick
selling
dip.
to VWAP here, I think. Yeah.
Be a very quick dip if we do get sold here.
We were just stop again.
64.
Oh damn, very close.
Get
But
away with
this
it.
can get bored. But we hold the EMA 9 here.
Yeah.
This candle at least. That's a good sign.
Google actually flagging again above previous high of day here. This actually could be a possible dip buy opportunity for SPY here. Yeah, well today we missed that morning momentum move for the upside just because I didn't really have a
Hello, I'm
decent
back.
backtest for that morning momentum, which is why we didn't really take longs earlier, or why I didn't take longs
Sunday we.
earlier.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're good.
Artisa Sunday we fall back. Oh, okay,
Yeah, for like
okay.
a
I see.
time
Yeah,
frame.
I see. Yeah. This is still holding up.
Yeah, still holding.
I hope you get a nice 70-point profit. Please,
Yes.
Nvidia, you need to wake up and be done with this higher low here. We don't want you to dip more. I passed my Apex account, by the way.
I did you. Nice.
Yeah, so that's me and Apex still holding together. I don't know why, because they kind of. Well, the new rules is actually very good if you like trading 10, 15 micros or less.
Mm-hmm.
But if you're trading like 3 Nasdaq or more, even on the biggest count, it's you're gonna have a problem. I'm kinda I wanna see how they pay out and how it's going now, because I'm just gonna say, except that video I need to make, I actually got every payout I could, so it
Did
was
you
no
get two
problem.
or just one?
2, I think. I'm not sure. Need to look. If I'm not sure. I think I got 2. With the last account, I got one also, right?
Um,
Before blowing it
I don't
again.
remember.
Yeah, I think so. I think I got 6K from them. I'm not sure. I get payouts from top up, so it's hard to. Yeah. This looks kind of a bit better now.
Yeah, I do like that pop right there.
Yeah.
Oh,
Microsoft. Look at
still
Microsoft here.
on hold. Like, we just need our. If we get some momentum to pick up, this should move pretty quickly towards the upside if we want to break up here.
Yeah, you're still in 15-point profit here.
Yeah, a little bit. Nothing crazy.
Yeah.
I do like that buy up though.
Yeah,
I
me
do
too.
like this.
Me
So
too.
this actually makes me a little more confident here, but I'd still like to see a break with individual tickers here before
Mm.
looking for more upside.
We did go up and fill a 1 minute imbalance.
Oh, I do see
So,
that, yeah.
yeah. That 1 minute balance is actually quite. I mean, you see that a lot, honestly.
Yeah, we do. Yep.
Yeah.
See if we could flip it though.
Yeah, it looks like we're doing it now.
If we clear 605 here, this probably will run straight to 620. That'll be my exit there.
I almost won a long here. Again.
Oh, really? Take another one.
Risk reward is just. It's not there now. Looking for 20 points, you're gonna have a. Yeah, okay, 585 stop. Could have for entry.
Yeah, Apple's still in range here, so we still have yet to actually break. But yeah, still waiting for those levels to break. We need to get above overnight highs still.
Yeah, Amazon and Microsoft look good though, and.
Oh, Meta is running. Wow.
Yeah.
Insane move from Meta.
Wow. Yeah. Crazy. That's the only tickers I don't have on my screen. I need to.
A little bit more here. I want to see new high day here on this momentum. We're starting to get some build up here. Yeah, Apple looks like it wants to go. Microsoft looks good. Google looks okay here. We did get a new high of day that did get put in right there. So this is up officially 20 points for me. I don't know about you guys, but once again, offering another trim opportunity, or even for you to take full here if you guys are looking for an exit, because we've been holding this position for God knows how long. Come on, Apple.
Need to go overnight. Yeah, I like this on the yes actually. Also here.
Yeah, that was a nice dip buy opportunity right there off a previous low of day right there. So
Yep.
bottom of previous day's range. Well, we didn't. I don't know if we
We
actually took it.
almost no,
Not
we
yet.
did not.
Very
Yeah,
close.
very
But
close. Your 200 EMA tap.
yeah, but I don't really use 200 on the shorter time frames, to be honest.
Yeah, me neither, but I just have it on. So, and have a look at it. I use mostly EMA 9. Yeah.
Actually, I used to use it. I don't know why I took it off. You could
I
have
just find it nice to see if you're like this slow grinding. As long as we hold that and we're not close under it, kind of safe. That was what I was trying to do, but on 1 minute, and yeah, 1 minute is bad. I should have done it at 5 minutes. Because you can see we had a 5-minute backtest of EMA9 and popped up again when we did not close under it. So it were my rules. We were not invalidating that move, and yeah, would be better to be. We have a 1-minute imbalance here at 589. Don't like that Apple is reacting overnight high again.
Yeah, still in structure once again.
Yeah, gonna close under here.
This is brutal. This is
But we are here to keep it company.
brutal.
Well, I guess some people are still in the trade also. If we fail at this 600, we could probably go back to range again. It would probably be quite a decent short also. At least to 554, I think. 560 maybe.
Yeah, so far this is a break and retest on a SPY.
Yeah.
So with SPY
Yeah,
we have to get above 581 here. Or like
One
581.20.
sorry, 1 hour still looks really good for 675.
Yeah.
We just backed that on the left on yesterday's, and yeah, but the problem is we are actually right at the breakdown level here. You know that 1 hour breakdown on yesterday at open.
Yeah, and we did officially
So
finally get that
we did
70.7
have,
tap.
yeah, we have some resistance here, but if we clear that, we should have quite good room if we can clear that. I did not see that. Wow. Yeah, okay. That's one of my edges, you know. That's better on me.
Oh, nice little buy up right there. For that 1 minute candle.
Yeah, maybe they're still holding the. Okay, we got a lower high, but a higher low at least. It's still overnight high here.
Yeah. Still need to get above my breakout level on 40.8.
Yeah.
So. Still look alright though.
So you were sick and you talk more because we have a long day.
I'm just a talker. I just yap a lot. Probably shouldn't though. But
Typically, I don't like to take like 9-10 points because it's skew R to R. Looks good here. Good here. I think gonna break
yeah,
here.
even 20 points for me here. This is like technically
No.
gonna be a 1-to-1 for me.
Yeah.
Once again, another trim opportunity here, guys. Giving us a little bit more time here at this 20-point mark. If you're looking to take this. I technically should take this because this is actually allowing me to hit my 7-figure trade right
Don't care about that, Alex.
here. No, we're here for the setup.
You can just say in the typo unrealized 1 million per year.
Unrealized.
Yeah. People never gonna think about that.
I think we're still waiting for this 5-minute candle close to get us break above 600 here.
Did you make 1 million last year?
Yep.
How much did you do last year?
This will be I did a lot last year. But
So did you?
the most, to be honest.
I mean, on future, did you do 1 million last year?
Oh, on futures?
No,
Oh,
you
no,
did not.
not on futures, no. That was
What
when
did
I
you do?
was just that was pretty much when I was just getting started on futures. But
Okay. Oh, you traded options that long before?
yeah,
You did not trade futures?
yeah.
Okay. Wow.
So this will be my first 7-figure year with futures alone.
Did you remember you said I was gonna be 8-figure next year? So I need to scale up my size a lot. So if you make 7-figure, okay, I need to do 100 plus Nasdaq then. I need to full port all my net worth, I think.
See, 8 figures, I think you would have to
Yeah.
trade like 20 to 30 minis, if I'm not mistaken. Probably something like that.
It's gonna be hard anyway. Yeah. But that would incline I will not have any mental problems with that. And that's gonna be the hard part.
Yeah, I think you would have to do like 30 or 40 minis. Yeah, that's a lot.
Yeah. Not a chance.
And I think you
Yeah.
would have to at least make over 50 points in a day, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
Good luck with that. And
Yeah.
no red days as well,
Yeah.
taken into consideration.
Uh,
So I
yeah.
guess like realistically speaking, we'll probably like 50 to 70 minis.
It would be nice if I could do 500,000 next year.
It's definitely
I
possible.
think that's,
It's possible.
yeah, I
Very
think it's
doable.
possible. Yeah. I'm over 300 this year. So
Yeah, I think when you joined, I forgot how much I was up. Um, you joined in April, so
yeah. But still like this.
yeah.
I think this is gonna pop here. But I did not re-enter. We say that and we get our maybe first red candle. ES looks weaker here though, but okay, never mind. I don't like Apple here with that candle opening. But Nvidia looks good. I think you were up like 500,000 or more, actually, 600. Because when I first joined, I think you was on a really good winning streak, right?
Yeah.
Something like that. I'm not sure. But I was up like 100. Do you remember what I said? 100.
No, no.
No. Don't you remember everything I say, Alex? We are friends. Uh, no. I think I was up maybe 120, something like that. So I made more with you than I have by myself.
At least
But
that's
it's
good.
yeah.
Setting a
But
good yield
actually,
structure here.
it's actually not that good because I've been at around your size level for a half year.
Mm.
So yeah, I'm trading worse than you are overall. If we count points, not at Samir God level.
Oh, this is gonna be a very long YouTube recording today. That's all I know. We are in a small 1-minute flag structure here, above 600. Stalling
Yeah, RT.
here. Quite a lot still, but yeah, if we do play this flag pull, this should send us to 620. If this does want to actually break for upside.
Teresa, I actually increased size also, so I'm not. But yeah, I think point wise, at least Alex is doing more points than me on average on a month. Nasdaq. He's getting more done than I am. You just have so many wins in a row quite often, Alex. I don't have that on my own.
For you, when you're by
Yeah.
yourself, you mean, or?
Yeah.
Oh.
I've been this since my very red 2 weeks. I have been on a very good run on my own trades, but I mean on that red, I was, yeah. You were doing quite red, and I was doing, oh my god, so much red. My own trades were really red. So yeah, I'm more up and down than almost. I don't know. Okay. Yeah. I still do have this kind of lovely losing streak, but I guess everyone has that to some extent. But
Yeah, everyone has that.
I feel like
Yeah.
mine is a bit deeper though. It could be a mental thing also. Wow.
Yeah, but just know any progress is good progress. So
Yeah. I'm definitely a better trader than before I met you. Slowly, but I mean, that was I took Carlos like, oh, been here 7 months. I mean, time goes so fast, right?
it really does. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are learning every day a bit, a little. I mean, you do also learn every day with pattern recognition and your own style, and we all do that. So we need to slowly getting better every day too.
Yeah. And that's the best way to learn, is that just by showing up.
Uh, Yeah. Because if you don't show up and like, oh, I'm gonna take a bit off, and what we see, like, yeah, a year is gone, and the people that's here every single day is learning every single day, and maybe 20 days not a lot, but if you been here and look at chart 100 days, it's gonna make a difference.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it certainly does.
Yeah, I think you've grown a lot, Carlos. I think you should trade a bit more on your own, but I mean, yeah, the best
Yeah,
time
I think so
trade
too.
is where we trade here. So
Yeah. I mean,
that's the problem with trading yourself. I maybe see one pre-market or one power hour move, but often I don't see one good trade.
Yeah.
Often pre-market, but then I'm sleeping or doing
Mm.
something else and cannot watch it. So
I think today we learned that this slow PA is very painful to trade. Yeah. I'm so
yeah.
glad I'm not in the trade anymore. But I'm hoping for you. Yeah.
No, this is looking good. We're still holding
It
in
is, but it's very painful.
yeah.
you more time. We're not rejecting the 600 here, and we are just basing under it. If you guys remember, I talked about that. If you're slowly building under a level and not coming down, you're gonna explode right through it with some expansion, so with some momentum. And that's got probably in this slow mark gonna deliver 20, 30 points, I think. I'm gonna.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Yeah, like
Mm.
at least up to 20. Just a
So I
matter of
was,
time here.
yeah. So I was actually almost wanted to go in again here, but this is just too high for me. But if I was betting a trade on 1-to-1 RR here on 20 points, I think it's a valid trade actually. I think I have a good chance to break up here.
This may even just run to previous hive day actually.
Yeah, 675. That's what I said, right?
Is it? Is it 675? No,
Yeah,
because NQ
670.
previous hive day is different, right? Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, it is.
yeah, it
So
is.
yeah,
Yeah,
Q's is it's not really that
4-9.
much,
Yeah,
not that far off.
yeah.
So yeah, training by yourself also can be a little bit bad because then you're really by yourself, and that's when your mental kicks in.
Yeah. I'm more inclined to DCA when I'm on
Yeah,
myself. Yeah,
BCA,
gonna
just
be honest, yeah.
impulsive trades, force
Yeah.
trades, in and out, like, you know. But when you trade with a group, you're all kind of in the same boat, have same
Mm.
targets, so it
So
makes you feel a
trees
little
are you good?
better.
Yeah. You're gonna notice I'm talking quite a lot, and it's actually making me calmer. Yeah. But Teresa, are you still in this trade also? Or someone else in this trade, or it's just
It might just
Alex?
be me. I
Yeah.
think everyone just took their money at this.
I actually missed the trade, and so I was planning to get back in. I was doing mom stuff. I was planning to get back in, but it just moved too quick. So if it comes back to around the entry point, I'll get in because it does look like a flag. Sorry, you hear my baby.
Oh, you're okay.
uh, but yeah, I'm happy to be here with you guys. And yes, about the trading as a group, I prefer that because, and I'm new to, like, I started futures in January. I was doing options before, and I took time off because I had my baby last year. And so, um, futures is new to me, and I feel like, just like you said, Alex, like I'll go crazy, like on tilt, which I didn't even know what tilt was. Like, oh, if I lose, okay, I need to make it back, or if you know what I mean? Like it just gets too crazy. But with a group, you're kind of held accountable, and then it also makes you like. With your group, it's like, okay, we're doing 1 to 2 trades a day and we're out. Like, we're out by lunchtime, which I love.
Oh, this is a
So,
breakdown.
a little breakdown.
Yeah, this may not.
Yeah, so that's my focus is just to like stick with the group and not go rogue.
Or Teresa, I'm just gonna say that if we come back to entry here, I would probably not wanna take this.
Yeah.
I think it's
Yeah, yeah.
gonna
Me
go
too.
down.
That's
So
breaking down now.
yeah. Because we're actually reacting 600 if we actually close below a EMA line here, and cannot be sure. I was quite sure we was gonna break through that. Could still though, but
Yeah, we closed below on the 5 minute, 15 minute, and 30 minute below the
yeah,
600. Yeah.
yeah.
Pretty
That's
strong
why
buy
I
there.
said we, yeah. That's why I said we probably break down here.
Mm.
I'm favoring that right now.
Yeah, no, especially for me though, trading in a group though, it's like especially since you guys follow me, that really does force me to like be on top of my A game. Um,
It's
really just focus more on like those better
Are
places.
though, like literally your percentage is crazy. So I don't know if you were trading with a group before. I know you said you just started futures last year.
Yep.
Were you with a group then?
Um, well, I've always had stock solutions for a long time actually. So yeah, I've actually been live trading for a couple of years now. Every single day, it's pretty much live trading for a couple of years. So yeah, it's been a while. But in terms of actual futures, well, obviously I joined Phoenix and then I live traded there. Um, and then I just converted fully back to over here. So yeah, in terms of futures, just this year by itself, I'm pretty sure I've live traded or I've documented every single trade that I've taken, either on live or on text, except for maybe like no more than 5 trades. I don't think that I maybe did not document. But besides that, yeah, but pretty much everything has been checked off, and we are still in structure. Look at that.
still hold the EMA 9. Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, Harlow's still in play here.
Yeah.
It's really just a matter of time. Like I said, this would be a great set and forget day. Great set and
Good
forget.
and
I think I think since we do actually have some new people in here, I think it'll be another great opportunity to actually run through a class again. Because I know kind of stopped those a little bit because the main thing that people want to learn is kind of like my strategy and what I look for. But I think since we are starting to get some newer faces, I think we could actually go over that class again, just to kind of refine that. Unless you guys actually have any specific topics that you would like to cover, you could also do that as well. But I think that'll be maybe for next week.
Yeah. I'm very pleased with what I'm doing. I'm just gonna keep doing that, and I mean, I cannot trade your system anyway.
Mm-hmm.
I do have some personal life things, but it's working. So
Yeah, no, you've been doing very good, Phil. You're
I mean, if you've been here for 6-7 months, you're
gotta learn something
gonna
at
be.
least.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It would be
I
bad if
hope
I
you
did
learn
not.
something.
Uh,
Yeah, just staying cool, calm, and collective with
yeah.
this trade, though. Honestly,
Yeah.
really the best thing we could do here is keeping the R to R the same. Just 1 to 2 R to R here.
Yeah, I think this is gonna pop here now, maybe.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna be quiet. I have.
Maybe it's every time you say it, we
Oh,
just get a little bit of a dip.
yeah, yeah, yeah. It's just, yeah.
But we are coiling very nicely, though. I will
Yeah,
say
yeah.
that. Um, and this is all really just, it makes sense. This is actually very much expected, right? We are in earnings season. We have some pretty large catalysts coming up in these next couple of days, so it all makes sense. All makes sense.
Yeah. We're probably gonna have more volatility tomorrow
Yeah.
instead.
What do we have today? We have, yeah, AMD and Google, so.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, Meta, Microsoft.
And next week will be crazy. Alex, do you trade election? Or I'm no, well, this is your first time doing futures, but is your plan to trade election day?
Um, that's a great question. I think we have to gauge the volatility and see, um, how it is. Cause when was it? When we had the Japan index dip, that particular
Hmm.
day, we were down like, what was it, 3 or 4% within the given day? That was very crazy.
Yeah.
So, that volatility was insane. We were getting like 100 to 200 point candles. So
Wow.
that particular day,
Yeah.
I was like, all right, nobody really should be trading this normal size. Okay, hang on. I'm gonna take my exit here, I think.
Yep. Got your breakout.
I think we're gonna pop here, Alex.
Yeah, I'm gonna take half here. I'm at
Sorry.
half right there at 16.
Yeah.
I'm setting the rest to BE. Finally got the volume.
Uh,
I'm so happy. Finally, Jesus.
oh,
Could finally
good
do
for you, Alex.
it.
I'm gonna. Good patience. Good patience.
Entries, like we literally could have got in. If I was sitting here, like I see 77, 577 was a dip by
Yeah.
85 a couple of times.
Yeah.
Yeah, even my entry actually wasn't the greatest. It's actually on more of the higher end, um, of the range here. Like an entry, like mid 70s to lower 80s would have been preferred for me. But yeah,
Yeah.
I have stop
I'm
loss to be here.
I'm gonna be honest. I did not like tickers when we actually got that dips, and that was the problem for me because we had 1, 2, 3 reaction on 600. Wait, my kid.
Yeah, anyways, what I was saying earlier was that with the increased volatility, it's very, very, very difficult to trade one, especially if you guys are on a prop account, and that's going to be the biggest thing. Like, if we're getting 100 to 200 point ranges, obviously that's crazy to begin with, but especially with the trailing following you, it's really not going to be fun at all. Because I think I traded like 1 to like 5 micros, I think, that day, and I still ended up making like $400 or $500 on that size, which is still really really good. But
Yeah.
yeah, we'll see how the volatility is. But if not, I mean, we're usually just on live there anyways, just watching, reading the price action. And that's one thing with futures that you do also want to gauge, right? It's not really like options, because with futures, right, the volatility really does kick in a lot harder. Just because remember, everything with futures, it's all about your entry, because this is a
Mhm.
point-to-point system. So from where you
Yeah.
enter to where you exit is literally the most important thing. So with that increased volatility, right, if you're running a 20-point stop on average, if there's a higher volatility day, you have to, make up that difference. So you would have to widen your stops, widen your targets, but also probably bring your size down as well, to kind of make up kind of like that difference there. But yeah, that's I guess that's another class that we could potentially talk about again in the future, because we did talk about that previously, with an older class, I believe. But
Alex, did I make so that you did not cover full there?
did I not cover what?
Full 10, 10 Nasdaq.
Oh yeah, no, I didn't close full. Yeah, no, I did not
No,
close full.
but did I impact you there? Because I was thinking.
No, no, no,
Yeah.
no, 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 you're good.
Okay.
We ran up to my
Yeah.
1 minute flag,
Yeah.
technically breakout target there, but I do
Yeah.
want us to 20 at least. Like I said, even the previous high day, we are very close to that.
Yeah.
And I think if SPY actually gets this break above overnight high, oh, there's my dog. Sorry.
Yeah, I still think this has room. Like I said before, 676, 675. But yeah, it's gonna take some
Yeah, this
time.
is risk free for me, so I'm actually
Yeah.
not too worried about this. So I'm just glad I at least got my first trim here. So
Yeah, that difference when you're BE and in profit is really nice. Could relax a bit more then.
yeah, so that was pretty close to 30 points there.
Yeah, I'm a bit sad that I only got 10.
Yeah, I mean, saves you the headache of having to wait throughout this whole time here.
I was still here, I think.
Yeah, you're still here either way, so it doesn't even matter. But
Yeah.
no, still coiling here. Looks like Apple had a failed breakout. If you actually take a look, this current candle is actually trying to get bought up here.
Well,
We actually are still waiting for this flip though. We still need to get above this trend line, so there really is no official breakthrough yet, but it is looking a little bit better for us here. So even if I stop out for BE with the rest of this, I still have about 15 points in profit on a regular size, so I definitely will take that.
Oh, are we not gonna do one more on the lunchtime trading? Kidding, kidding, I'm kidding.
This is gonna what time is it? Yeah, this is already an hour hold. This is I haven't held a trade this long in a very very long time. Yeah, but no, the overall thesis though did kind of work out. Slow grind day here, very very slow grind. But wow, look at Nvidia here, coming to overnight highs here. Actually, I might actually look to take this all out here maybe. But
Yeah, because Nvidia could actually react
Nvidia
here
might
like
flip
I'm
this,
doing
yeah.
a lower, a higher low again, and then gonna keep. I see what you mean there. On the left, we are
Mhm.
right at that.
Yeah, so that's kind of my only concern there. But yeah, Apple also sitting at that top of that trend line, but this actually can break here if it wanted. Mm,
Uh, I mean, Apple kind of just barcoding, right?
yeah, Apple is just
Don't
barcoding actually. But
know.
yeah, I forget what I said.
Uh,
This is how it is, though. We
I'm
trade.
turning down my screens now. I kind of feel like I want to take more trade because I only got 10, so I'm gonna. So
Alright,
no
we
more
got tomorrow.
screens.
Don't worry.
Yeah, we have 1,000 more trading days to come. So
We had a good day yesterday as well, so.
yeah, I got less than you, I think, on your trade, right? But I did 41 point also, so it was like a 70-point day or something. So that's very nice. So I had 80 points now, I think, with that. Yeah, so that's two 40-point trades, and that's way good. I could be red both days instead.
Nvidia kind of rejecting this overnight high here a little bit. I'm gonna trail my stop to 95 or 94. Move my stop to 94 in profit. Small amount.
Yeah, nice.
Might get a little bit more.
Quite funny. I have not seen anything on time and sales almost on this slowdown. Very little.
Yeah, I don't think you would see anything either. I mean, the price action speaks for itself, so.
Yeah.
Not the most entertaining day, I'll be honest, but.
Yeah.
I
I
mean,
think I might not be able to join on Thursday. We'll see, but I think maybe I could join on mobile though, but yeah.
mobile trading? I think it
I
normally
don't
works
like
out for you,
that.
no?
I'm gonna, yeah. I don't like that, but I think I'm gonna be on a long car drive at that time because it's 1 hour less. So it's a shame.
Apple making another attempt here for this breakout. It's not actually above overnight high anymore. It's kind of like based off the structure here, just above 230, 340. We'd have to get above now, but everything else is still pretty much in a trendy move up here. Microsoft did get to my target too at 430. Still stuck on that higher low, and then Google here is flagging once again. Same exact structure, but just sitting above previous high of day here. This might be another trim opportunity for me, or this might be my full exit here. If we just get one little pop is all I want.
Nice.
Then I'll be out.
Nice. There we go.
Yeah.
Nice.
There we go. Okay, I am all out. All out of that.
Well done, Alex. Well done.
Oh, that was a
Very good
long
patience.
trade. Remind me not to do that again. And I am done for the day after that. Definitely a longer day today. Longer, boring, slower day today, but that's how it is sometimes in life, even at work. You have fun days, have boring days. But at the end of the day, still made out kind of how I wanted. Got the trade I was looking for, and this is, yeah, well over an hour long hold there for today's trade.
See you guys tomorrow.
Yeah, I officially crossed 7 figures for my year to date, so I'm gonna be happy with that, and I'm going to
Well
get
done.
off
Well
here.
done.
But yeah, does anyone have any questions